This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can clearly see, my parental controls are indeed enabled and active. So from here, if I would like to turn them off without having to grant any parental authorization, permission, or well, basically preventing myself from having any interaction with the parent, I will need to launch settings, then enter the Google category. Onwards, go for the Manage Your Google Account button. Get started. Then open the Data and Privacy page, scroll it all the way down, and tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the password to our child's or ours Google account, whoever you are at the other side of the screen. So input the password, hit the next button, then you will be forwarded to the Delete Your Google Account page. From here, check those two boxes at the bottom, tap at the Delete Account option to your bottom right. And at this point, as you could have seen, the parental controls disappeared and should have been already deactivated successfully. Let me quickly check that and also show you guys. So let's go into Settings, Google. As you can see, there is no longer Google account, or well, rather, no Google account is linked any longer. Then, if I will open up the list of parental controls, there should be none, as it is. So now we've gotten successfully rid of parental controls, and the last thing that I will show you is how you can recover or restore the recently deleted Google account, so you will not lose it, and you will, well, it will remain active again. And well, once you do that, do not be afraid, the parental controls will not be renewed. So no risks or downsides, really just making sure here that the Google account will not vanish. So sign into the Play Store or any other Google app or service to recover it. So start by inputting the password, or excuse me, the email address, obviously. Then after you'll proceed, you should get the following message, or actually I did not get it, but well, that's fine. So input the account password, then hit the next button and proceed with the, or excuse me, yeah, I have used the reason that I haven't gotten the message I was talking about is because I've mixed up the accounts and didn't sign into the correct one. So let me quickly re-log in with an actual account we've deleted. That's my bad, excuse me. So give me just a brief second. So as you can see, I've inputted my email address, and here is the message I was talking about. So proceed by following this message with the account password, then hit the next button, and 9 out of 10 times you should get the something went wrong error message. That's completely fine. Simply re-enter the credentials once again, and the second time around it always lets you go through and lets you proceed with the sign in, thus account recovery. And as you can see, as I've already mentioned, the second time around, you can just log into the account as you would do normally in any other scenario. So the account was successfully recovered, the parental controls were also turned off, so great success, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.